Long time ago, there was a village of numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and all such numbers stayed together in this village. Each number owned a hut, and there were many such rows of such huts. One night, a stranger went to number 1's house. The stranger needed shelter there, but as soon as one saw him, he started chasing him. The stranger got scared and managed to escape. Again, the next day, the same person went to number 2's house. After waking up in the morning, number 2 said,
I saw someone in my house last night, but could not say anything out of fear.
Oh yes, I saw him too. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Then the numbers 1 to 10 called for a meeting and made a plan for catching him. That night, all of them went to the house of 3 and waited for him. Finally, they caught him and tied him up. It was a round, fat-looking number.
Hey, stop! I am 0.
But this is the village of natural numbers. Why have you come here?
And what were you searching for?
Friends, I just wanted shelter.
0, you can stay with us.
I am already there in the numbers 10, 20, 30, and so on. But if you let me live with you alone, together we can form a new family called the whole number family. If you don't believe me, you can see the book, The Number Line.
And that's how, including 0, in the set of natural numbers, we obtain the set of whole numbers. Hello and welcome to Notebook. Now, can you guess the new chapter that we are going to start in this session? Yes, you are right, whole numbers. Friends, all of us have started our journey of learning mathematics from counting numbers using abacus, our fingers, etc. Those counting numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on are called natural numbers. Consider a few kids standing in a queue. Spot the kid in green t-shirt. Then, the one who's standing before him is his predecessor, and the one standing after him is his successor. This holds for numbers too. For example, consider the number 13. 12 comes before 13, so it is the predecessor of 13. On the other hand, 14 comes after 13, so 14 is the successor of 13. So students, note down that the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor, and the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Therefore, we add 1 to a given number to get its successor, and we subtract 1 from a given number to get its predecessor. This implies the successor of 3 is 4 and predecessor of 3 is 2. Similarly, the successor of 2 is 3 and the predecessor of 2 is 1. Likewise, the successor of 1 is 2. But what is the predecessor of 1? There is no natural number which is the predecessor of 1. But when we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get the set of whole numbers. 0 is the predecessor of 1. But there is no whole number which is the predecessor of 0. Friends, note that there is no specific largest number because whenever you get a number, you can add 1 to it to get a number even larger than the previous one. Students, do you remember that 0 talked about the word number line? Do you know how we represent numbers on a number line? Let us draw a line and mark point 0 on its leftmost end. Then, let us mark the point 1 to 9 on the number line at equal distances. We can go on labeling as many numbers as we can at equal distances from 0. The distance between the numbers 0 and 1 is 1 unit. Similarly, the distance between the numbers 1 and 2 is 1 unit. We can say that the distance between any two consecutive numbers on the number line is 1 unit. This is how we represent numbers on the number line. In the next session, we shall learn many more operations on the number line. See you soon in the next session. Till then, keep learning, stay healthy, take care, and goodbye.